Hi, my name is Josh Jones with the USA Writing Center, and today I'm going to show you how to make an APA title page and insert a running head using Microsoft Word. Okay, so the first thing I do is I click up here in this section to open the header and footer settings. Okay, very important is just to select different first page, okay, because on the title page of APA we need it to actually say running head, while in the remainder we just need the capitalized title. Okay, so I'm going to insert page number. I always do this first because sometimes when you do that, it'll override any text that you had wrote already. So I'm going to put running head. So on the title page, you actually type out running head, and then just the title of the paper. Okay, and this one, one important thing is to change the font to match the remainder of your document. So I'm going to change it to Times New Roman, which is one of the fonts that APA recommends using. And so now we've got that covered. Okay, one thing to remember: the abbreviated the title that can fit up here can go up to 50 characters. Okay, and that includes spacing and punctuation. Okay, if it's longer than 50 characters, simply abbreviate the title in a way that makes logical sense, or go up to the 50 characters and stop. Okay, so I close that out, and I need to now insert information on the title page. Okay, so I also changed the font for the paper to Times New Roman, okay, 12, and I put the title of the paper here. Okay, title of the paper, and it's wrote out in title case, okay, which is just the first letter of the first word and the first letter of the major words capitalized. Okay, you'll notice that of and the are not, so the connecting words you don't have to worry about. Okay, so I'll put my first name, middle initial, and last name, and then just your college, so University of South Alabama in this case. Okay, so now I've got the title page completed, and that's about a quarter of the way down. And so I go to the next page, create another page, and I need to put the running head here as well. Okay, so you notice that different first page is still selected, so that's what we want. I click to page number, insert in the right corner, and I check to see if it's right. So it's saying page 2, which is what we want. Okay, so on this one, we don't need to insert running head, or we don't need to type that out, so we just put the capitalized version of the title. So the title of the paper, okay? And we also need to change the font here to Times New Roman since the first page was different. So we got Times New Roman 12, and now we check back to make sure it looks okay. So we've got running head, the capitalized title, looks good there, and we got page 2 here, and now we're ready to go. Okay, and in the next video, we'll go over how to make a reference page for your APA style paper. Thank you for viewing. We'll see you at the Writing Center.